Hey everyone, Cody here at Midland Honda. I'm the technician who certified and safetied this 2018 Honda Civic stock number 22-079A. So I just want to go over the car quickly. I'm going to do a walk around the outside. I'm going to look at the brakes, the suspension, and under the carriage. And what we're also going to look at is all the maintenance that has been completed to make it a Honda certified vehicle. Just do a quick visual on the outside here. I'm not seeing any dents, dings, or anything like that. Not seeing anything obvious here. Everything looks pretty good cosmetic-wise. Let's do a nice under the hood shot here. No oil leaks. Battery tested okay, coolant's up, belt's okay, everything looks good. So let's start with an underbody inspection. So I want to just measure the tires quickly. We're sitting at just over 7 on this one. Almost 8 on that one. So we're looking pretty good under here. I don't see any oil leaks or anything. Suspension is tight on the front. Exhaust looks good. Muffler looks good. Bottom of the bumper, no scrapes or dings. So suspension in the rear is tight. Everything looks good down here. All right, let's drop it down. We'll have a peek at the brakes. So we got our front brake system here. So we have nice, evenly worn front rotors here. Lots of life on the pad. We got about 80 to 90% life left. Fresh service on them, so they're all lubed up, so they're going to continue to wear nice and evenly. So the rear brake system we have here, fresh pads, fresh rotors. So they're all lubed up, they're ready to go, so they're going to continue to wear nice and evenly like they are now. So to bring this vehicle up to Honda certified standards, we performed a few services. We performed the MM9, which is your brake service, MM7, which is your brake fluid flush, and an MM2, which is a fresh cabin and engine air filter. So this 2018 Civic with just over 40,000 is in pretty great shape, pretty turnkey vehicle. You won't have to worry about a lot of maintenance or brakes for a long time. Tires are in great shape and have lots of life as well. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask any one of our professional sales staff and they'd be glad to help you. Have a great day and thanks for watching.